Creed Aventus Absolute, one of the most hyped and most expensive fragrance ever. What if I told you you don't need $500 to smell like it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel AROMANIK. I hope you are all doing great. Yes guys, you just need $50 to smell like the mighty Creed Aventus Absolute. Today we are diving into two fragrances that claim to be the best alternatives for Aventus Absolute. Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux, Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition. These are two best clones out there that have got so much hype and love because of their similarities to Aventus Absolute. Before we get into these two fragrances, let me quickly tell you about Creed Aventus Absolute. I have used it a couple of times and I have a decant of it. This is basically Creed Aventus with some added spices like pepper, and this one has good longevity to it. It is a modern version of Creed Aventus. Coming back to these two fragrances, we will check and find out if they are just clones or do they bring something unique to the table. I will quickly break down this video for you guys. First, we'll get into the unboxing and see the presentation. Then we'll check the atomizer on these and see how the opening smells like. Then we'll talk about the note breakdowns and the expectation from the fragrances. Then we'll also see that how close do they get to the Creed Aventus Absolute. Now, which one should we unbox first? Let's go with the one which was released first, Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux. So the overall experience of the presentation is very unique. Look and feel of both the fragrance and the bottle is very high quality and giving a very premium feel. Now, Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition. Afnan is another Middle Eastern brand which has been getting really hyped fragrances at a very affordable prices. This might be another one. Let's get this plastic off and see the presentation of this one. So I think both the bottles have really good quality presentation over here. The Middle Eastern brands and their fragrances have definitely enhanced the overall experience of unboxing, making them perfect choices for gifts. But the quality of these lies inside the bottles and not outside. So let's spray them on and see how they smell. Alright, first up we have the Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux. Let's give it a few initial sprays and see how it smells. Right away, I get that blast of citrus and little bit fruitiness. Pineapple, bergamot, lemon. Again, Armaf has that strong opening for a few initial minutes. This one's strong too. Not synthetic, but strong. Very close to the Aventus Absolute, but a little bit of twist over here. This is more dark and green. Ocmos is more prominent in this. There's a little bit of leather twist in here also. But I know as this will develop, this will get really better. Very similar to Aventus Absolute, but with a slight twist to it. So let's look at the notes which are mentioned. Lot of things here guys, but as it's drying down, I'm getting more Ocmos and more musk, which is giving it a masculine depth. So guys, let me tell you something about that leather twist which this fragrance is bringing. That's actually birch tar note, which is giving it a slight leather vibe. Basically, birch tar is used in many leather fragrances. For example, Tom Ford ombre leather right here. So it is used to get that leather accords or leather nuances in a fragrance. To understand the leather note better, let me tell you something about birch. So birch is basically a green, smoky, woody note which is very common in a lot of leather fragrances. It gives that masculine and smoky vibe to it. If we talk about the natural birch oil, that's obviously extracted from birch trees or birch tar. That's the natural way of getting birch. And nowadays what's happening is a lot of environmental restrictions going on. So that's why oils are made using chemicals just to save the trees and not disturb the nature, which is okay to me also. Coming back to Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux, let's smell it again. This is a very citrusy, fruity, little bit of smoky and woody fragrance. I can smell slight vanilla to it, which is making it very smooth and richer as compared to Club de Nuit Intense Man. Not Absolute, I'm talking about Club de Nuit Intense Man, all the other fragrances in the same line by Armaf. This is very smooth and rich, but not as smooth as the Absolute. Not to forget $500 or 45k Indian rupees for the Absolute and $50 and 4,000 Indian rupees for the Precious. There's a huge difference. Huge. Despite of that difference, this is very close to Absolute. Opening, mid, the dry down, I think it's going neck to neck with the Absolute. A little bit of things which are back and front here, but I would say this is 90% similar to it. Now coming to Supremacy Collector's Edition, let me tell you something before I start to spray and smell it. From what I have heard and seen from other reviewers on the internet, the Precious was the best Absolute clone until this arrived. But is it true? Let's check the atomizer on this one and see how it smells. Very basic atomizer on this, not pressurized at all. Oh, this one's very soft, smooth, very sweet and fresh at the same time. The pineapple and citruses are there. There are some florals too in here. It's so smooth. This is a more creamy and well-balanced opening, I would say. Very smooth and more refined to smell as compared to Armaf Precious. But let's see the notes of this one and on the screen first. As it develops, I'm noticing it's less smoky than Precious, but has that rich, slight animalic and floral touch to it. This also has Ockmos too, which makes these fragrances green and woody. Comparing the both, I think this definitely leans more luxurious and well-balanced in my opinion. This does not hit you in the nose and it's very natural smelling, a very refined clone of Aventus Absolute I think. It is very fresh, fruity, white floral and mossy. This is more versatile also in my opinion comparing the two clones. But how close is this to the Absolute? Very close, more than Precious I think. Both look great right now. Armaf seems to be a little stronger in the opening and looks like it will project and last more, which in my opinion is a perfect fit for open environments like outings with friends, parties or clubbing. Afnan on the other hand, this looks like it will last a long time, but it feels more natural and more smoother, so it might not project a lot. But yes, definitely a more versatile and more wearable version out of these two. Supremacy Collector's Edition looks like it's very suitable for office, formal events and date nights as well. I believe both the fragrances can be worn in any season as they are the same DNA, so assigning them specific seasons doesn't seem to be meaningful to me. So I have separated them on the basis of occasions and settings for you guys so you can prefer accordingly. So there you have two powerful clones of Aventus Absolute. Both seem to be very solid clones of Absolute, but which one should you choose? Let me tell you. If you want something more powerful, more projecting and beast mode performance, and you want something more smokier and bold, then you should go for Armaf Precious. If you want refinement, class, smoothness, or if you want more fresh, more subtle fragrance, then you should go for Afnan. So let me tell you in a different way. If you want to make an impression and you want people to notice your fragrance and smell your fragrance, then Precious is the one for you. And it's very strong, it will turn heads definitely, and there is no surprise if someone curious might ask you which fragrance are you wearing. If that happens, that's it. It has done the job for you. On the other hand, if you are someone who enjoys fresh and refined fragrances, not too overpowering, not loud, non-aggressive kind of fragrances, then Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition is for you. It will be present, but in a pleasant way. Since I have both the fragrances now, I'll be wearing Armaf Precious whenever I'll be going outside my home, like for shopping or going for parties or going outside with my friends. And I'll be wearing Supremacy Collector's Edition in situations when I'll be at home or going to office and maybe on a date also with my wife. That's it guys, this was a good addition to my collection. I picked up these for around 3 to 4k in India, that's around $40 to $50. But I want to ask you guys now, which one would you pick according to your style and taste? Please let me know in the comment box. Also let me know your views on these fragrances and hit that like button if you liked my initial impression on these. I have decided to get more fragrances in the upcoming videos and give my fair opinions on them. Please subscribe to my channel and support me in the journey to the ultimate fragrance collection. Bye bye, see you and take care.
I need a centerfold from the shows with the mansion.